Welcome to my little apartment here in Switzerland. I wanted to share with you what my life here in Switzerland is like. I've moved to Switzerland 6 months ago and it has been such an amazing and incredible experience because I feel I have achieved a long time dream, and who doesn't want to live in Switzerland? Such a beautiful country, and I find it to be such an inclusive culture, at least where I am. I find it very multicultural, and here is a little bit about my life and what I think about living here in Switzerland. So today I'm sitting here in my lovely little tiny apartment from the 1800s, which makes it really interesting and beautiful. And sorry, there's a few things that are flying, fluffy things flying around me. Everything has changed for me pretty much. It's not easy to move countries and start a life from zero. The summer is ending, but it's fine. I love seasons. I actually like having different seasons during the year. It makes it really interesting because you're always waiting for something different as the year progresses. I'm not sure how it's gonna be for me because it's gonna be my first real winter. Let's see how it goes. Well, yeah, when you first arrive to Switzerland, everything is new, of course. You have expectations and dreams, and you've seen and heard many things about the country that you think you sort of stereotype it in your mind and think things are gonna be a certain way. And as anything, sometimes things are better than you imagine them. When you first arrive to Switzerland, you get this welcome package. So this package includes information about the city that you moved in. I have to say that I was very impressed by the welcome package. It included free tickets for the museums and other cultural activities, or discounts for the theater, different entertainment activities that you can enjoy. That's what you get. And also I received some pills that I didn't know what they were for. I ended up throwing these pills to the garbage, and later on I realized that these pills were actually for an emergency in case Switzerland goes through a nuclear crisis. And now if there's a crisis, I don't have them anymore. So I love Switzerland, I have to say that. And every time I go overseas now, if we go driving to Italy or France, as soon as we enter the highway, and I feel so much peace, I feel at home. Moving to a new country is not easy. You have to find new friends, you have to find all the activities that you like to do. Here in this city, for example, there are so many activities that you can join. It's very community oriented, very community based and multicultural. You can hear many different languages when you go out in the street, and I love that. And I couldn't live anywhere else that it's not multicultural. Living here is like a dream come true. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and join me again in the next one.